going on?
Hi, baby.
Let's put some lotion on you, huh? Yeah, there you go.
I have the hiccups. Huh? It's a good thing she doesn't cry when she has hiccups.
No, she always had the hiccups in my belly because I felt it all the time.
That's weird.
Yeah, because they're so consistent. I was like, oh no.
Wait.
She was yawning. That's why.
Oh, she was yawning. She got the hiccups.
Yeah.
Silly
Putting that on me, mama. Stop it. Stop it. I already have the hiccups. And you're putting that on me.
Hi, baby.
No. It's okay. Alright. What do you want to do? What do you want to do, huh? What do you want to do? What you want to do, huh? What you want to do? How about a smile for Lolo?